Deforestation is the process of cutting down and clearing forests, and it is a major contributor to climate change. When trees are cut down, they no longer absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which leads to an increase in greenhouse gases and global warming. In the Amazon rainforest, deforestation is often driven by the demand for land, for agriculture, and livestock, as well as for logging and mining. As a result, the rainforest is being destroyed at an alarming rate, with around 20% of it already lost. The consequences of this deforestation are far reaching. The loss of trees and other vegetation can lead to soil erosion, which can make the land less productive and cause floods and landslides. The loss of rainforest also means the loss of habitat for countless species. What can be done to stop the deforestation in the Amazon rainforest? One solution is to increase the protection of the rainforest and its wildlife by creating national parks and other protected areas. Another solution is to promote sustainable agriculture and forestry practices that do not involve the clear cutting of forests. Individuals can also help by supporting organizations that work to protect the rainforests and by making environmentally friendly choices in their daily lives, such as using products made from sustainable materials and supporting companies that have sustainable sourcing practices. We all have a role to play in preserving the Amazon rainforest and other important ecosystems around the world. By taking action, we can help to ensure that these vital resources are protected for future generations.